How to play Brawl Stars on PS4. Can you play Brawl Stars with a controller, and which controllers are compatible? Brawl Stars does not natively support controllers, but don't worry, there are solutions. The most common one is to use an Android emulator on PC like BlueStacks. It's simple and works well. So for mobile players, apps like Mantis Gamepad also allows you to connect a controller. In both cases, you can use the most popular controllers. So, how to connect a controller to your device? Let's take an example of a PS4 controller. So, to put it in a pairing mode, you need to press and hold the PS and share button simultaneously. You'll know it's successful when the light bar starts flashing. At this point, your controller is ready to be detected. Next, go to your device Bluetooth settings. Enable the search for available devices and select your controller from the list. Once the connection is established, the light bar on the accessory will stop flashing and stay on. You're now ready to play Brawl Stars with your controller. Now, second is through wired connection. The wired connection is a direct and effective way to use a controller with your device. Simply plug in your controller using a compatible USB cable. Make sure the cable is appropriate for your device. Once connected, most devices automatically recognize the controller without requiring additional configuration. So that is how you can basically play Brawl Stars on PS4.